But allow me to bring my wife, Reverend Joy, to come and say hi. Let us appreciate Reverend Joy. Amen. Ili aje wasalimie kwa sababu inafaa. Amen. Wacha wasalimie kwa sababu unajua kuna watu hii dunia wanajuaga mambo ya wenyewe kushinda wenyewe. Amen. Sasa aya, tukienda Taita Taveta, okay, huyu tukapita Voi, tukafika mahali panaitwa Mwatate. Wakati tulifika Mwatate, mimi nilikuwa nakula tuchipo, tulikuwa kwa mkono. Alifanya mpaka ni ziache nimwangalie, nikasikia kama naweza ruka gari nyuma. Tukiwa na Ndungu akatuuliza, "Bwana vizuri sana, innocent." Akatuuliza, "Tumepita na manga?" Kwa sababu alikuwa amekula, nikamwambia, "Tumepita na manga juu umemanga." Sasa meni na manga na uko Kajiado meni. Lakini one ngugusera gia bururi uyu nigetha umenye. Amen. We missed you in the church. Thank you that now you are well and whole. May God bless you. Welcome back, my love.
Right Reverend Bishop Benson Kamau, right Reverend Bishop Anthony Kimani, church leadership, JCM members, our online church, again yaremo tusereire muthenya wa umuthi and all protocols observed. Mwathani agocwo ringi. Wa mbere ndenda gucokeria atumia othe ngatho ni kunyitanira hindi iria twaruzire our member, our late Magi, ni kunyitira Njoroge witu. God bless you so much na muthina mbere na wendo ucio ndonire. I also want to appreciate you again ni gutunyitira hindi no turathite Taita Taveta kwa mora pastor witu, Pastor Paris. Karugendo kau ni karaihu muno, but I can bet half of you were present there. Ngai wa moya murathime. Ndrenda kwanira medical camp itu igakorwo August 9th August. Hone tugakorwo tugicugurikira ciana citu iria cikoragwo na autism na cerebral palsy, and after that ndoka mahethi guku tondu muthenya ucio gakorwo wi wa birthday yakwa. Ngai wa moya murathime tugibanga gerekereria. Hindi iria brothers ya Joseph mathire the land of Egypt guthi gucaria gia kuria, they met with loyalty. Na hindi iria macemanire na Joseph abire kumera macoke mathi marehe baba wao. I want to declare and declare today in this altar that God will expand your territories. I want to declare and declare in this altar that God will give you more than you expect. And I'm praying that God will hide your victory. Will hide your victory kore thu cianyu. Athi na mbere na kumurathima. Ndenda kumuhoera grace na ndimwira JCM you're highly favored. Na guku jandu ni mamwendete muno. Muthi na mbere na kunyitanirira na kwendana muno. God bless you so much. God bless JCM. God bless Kenya. And as we go on, tuhinge matu maitu tuthi na mbere na gutungata. Thank you.
Amen. Na ile siku atapata mimba, si mtaiona tu. Mimba si upepo, si ni ukweli. Murahoera wega muno. Murenda agie na mutirahe bia cia kutungata.